This allows for a better user experience with the device, but it can also raise concerns about privacy and data security. In this tutorial, we will explore how Android system intelligence works and how you can control and erase the data your device has learned about you, whether you want to delete searches, personalized recommendations, or activity history. Learn how to take control of your device and safeguard your privacy. This is a useful guide for anyone looking to better understand and manage their Android device's intelligence. Let's dive into the exploration. First, what you need to do is open the settings on your phone. After that, scroll down until you find the privacy section. Once you locate it, click on it. Scroll down again, and at the end, you will see Android System Intelligence. Click on that. Android System Intelligence is a system app that helps your device learn your usage patterns and preferences. This can help improve the performance and personalization of your device. However, if you want to erase what your device has learned, click on Clear Data here. Then select the last option, All Time, and after that, click on Clear Data again. After you have cleared the data, the intelligence system will start from scratch, learning your new usage patterns. That's it for this video. We hope we've helped you.